Eggs, the humble hero of breakfast. So simple, yet so satisfying. Whether you like them scrambled, sunny side up, or hard-boiled, eggs are the ultimate comfort food. But let's be real, we've all made some excellent mistakes while cooking them. Maybe you've turned your scrambled eggs into rubber, or accidentally overcooked your hard-boiled eggs until they look like little gray marbles. Don't worry, we've all been there. But today, I'm here to crack the code on making perfect eggs every time so you can enjoy egg perfection like never before. Let's start with mistake number 1, cooking eggs on high heat. High heat turns your eggs rubbery and dry. Keep it low and slow for the creamiest scrambled eggs ever. Mistake number 2, cracking eggs on the edge of the bowl. Doing this always leads to eggshells in your food. Instead, crack your eggs on a flat surface to avoid the mess. Number 3, overcooking hard-boiled eggs. Those greenish rings around the yolk are a sign you've cooked them too long. To get the perfect hard-boiled egg, bring the water to a boil, then let it sit for 9 to 12 minutes. No green yolks allowed. Mistake number 5, using old eggs for scrambling. Old eggs lead to watery, sad scrambled eggs. Always use fresh eggs for the fluffiest, most flavorful scramble. Number 6, not whisking eggs enough. A quick stir just won't do it. The more you whisk, the airier and fluffier your eggs will be. Whisk like your breakfast depends on it. Mistake number 7, cooking eggs in a dirty pan. A dirty pan can affect the flavor of your eggs and make them stick. Keep your pans clean and add a little butter or oil for a non-stick finish. Number 8, storing eggs in the fridge door. The fridge door is the warmest place, and that's not good for your eggs. Store them on the middle shelf for maximum freshness. Mistake number 9, using the wrong pan for scrambled eggs. A large pan can make your scrambled eggs cook unevenly. Use a smaller, non-stick pan to give your eggs the space they need to cook perfectly. And finally, mistake number 10, not letting your eggs rest after cooking. It's tempting to dive right in, but letting your eggs rest for a minute after cooking helps them finish cooking in their own heat, resulting in fluffier, more flavorful eggs. So there you have it, 10 common egg mistakes and how to fix them. With just a few small changes, you'll go from egg rookie to egg pro in no time. It's not about being fancy, it's about cooking smarter and having fun with your eggs. Whether you like them scrambled, fried, or boiled, these tips will take your egg game to the next level. Now, I want to hear from you. How do you like your eggs? Are you a scrambled fan, a poached pro, or a hard-boiled enthusiast? Drop your favorite way to cook eggs in the comments below, and let's have a yolk-filled conversation. And hey, if you found these tips useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more egg-excellent advice. See you next time, egg lovers!